how do you introduce yourself in Shona? In Shona, you can introduce yourself by first greeting the person and then saying your name. Let's assume that your name is Tino. This would sound like Kwaziwai, ini ndinonzi Tino. And this means, hello, my name is Tino. If someone asks you what your name is, they will say, Iwo nonzani. What are you called? Or, Zita rako ndiani. What is your name? In this case, you respond by saying, Ndinonzi Tino. I am called Tino. Or, Ini ndinonzi Tino. I am called Tino. Why not take the time to practice introducing yourself in Shona with SARURA kids? We have a wide range of videos for beginners, as well as a structured, ultimate Shona learning pack that you will find very helpful. Search for it today.